In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a segment on Convertkit. Creating segments in Convertkit is a powerful way to organize your subscribers based on their interests, behaviors, or any criteria you set. This process allows you to tailor your communication to specific groups, making your emails more relevant and engaging. Let's dive into how you can set up a segment from start to finish. First things first, head over to Convertkit's website. You can easily find it by searching for Convertkit in your preferred internet browser, or by typing in the direct URL if you already have it handy. Once you're on the Convertkit homepage, you'll see various options and features, but our focus today is on getting you logged in to start the process of creating a segment. To log in, look for the login button, typically located in the upper right corner of the homepage. Clicking on it will redirect you to the login page, where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, starting with your email address. Take a moment to ensure you enter the email address associated with your Convertkit account correctly to avoid any login issues. Following your email, the next step is to input your password. Make sure you enter it carefully. Your password is the key to accessing all the fantastic features Convertkit offers, including the ability to create segments. If you're having trouble remembering your password, don't worry, there's usually a way to reset it right on the login page. After successfully entering your email and password, hit the login button again to access your dashboard. The dashboard is your control room in Convertkit. From here you can navigate to various areas of your account, but our target today is the Grow section. In the Grow section, you'll find tools and options related to increasing and managing your subscriber list. Look for the subscribers option within Grow and click on it. This area gives you a comprehensive overview of everyone who has subscribed to your mailing list, and it's also where the magic of segment creation starts. Now, to initiate the creation of a new segment, look for the plus create a segment button. This button is your gateway to beginning the segmentation process. Click on it and you'll be taken to the segment creation page. Here you're required to give your new segment a name. Choose a name that clearly represents the group of subscribers you're aiming to define with this segment. A clear descriptive name will make it easier to remember the purpose of the segment later on. After naming your segment, it's time to add details to define this segment. This is where you specify the criteria that subscribers must meet to be included in the segment. Be thoughtful about the details you choose as they shape how effective your segmentation is. Now for the part where you fine-tune your segment, adding filters. Click on Add Filter to specify the criteria for including subscribers in your segment. Filters can be based on subscriber behavior, subscription details, and more. This granularity allows for precise targeting, which is invaluable for targeted communication. If your segmentation needs are complex, you might want to group several filters together. To do this, click on Add Filter Group. This option enables you to create a set of criteria that subscribers must meet, either within the group or across multiple groups. It adds an extra layer of specificity to your segmentation, allowing for even more targeted communication strategies. Lastly, once you're satisfied with the name, details, and filters you've set up, it's crucial to save your segment. Look for the Save button, usually located near the bottom or top of the page, and click on it to secure your new segment. Congratulations, you've just created a new segment in Convertkit. This new segment can now be used to send targeted emails that resonate more closely with the interests and behaviors of your subscribers within that group. Remember, the key to effective email marketing is delivering the right message to the right people at the right time, and segments are a powerful tool to help you do just that. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to create a segment in Convertkit. With practice, you'll become more comfortable with the tool, allowing you to create even more specialized segments for various purposes. Happy emailing!